Good morning, children. Welcome to SS Divine Session lecture. Yes, today's ENV lecture. In the first session, we have learned about who will do this. हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में से लेसन रीड किया था. Okay, so now today I am going to start the exercise of this lesson. See, this is the front page of your workbook. So I am starting the exercise from the workbook. Lesson number 1. Who will do this? Choose the correct alternatives from those given below. Question. Here, question is given and 4 answers are given. You have to tick the correct option. Number 1. Where should we release the dirty water? In public ground, in courtyard, in gutter, in well. Where should we release? हमें गंदा पानी कहाँ डालना चाहिए? Yes, in gutter. Where should we throw garbage? At public place, in dustbin, in courtyard, in lawn. In dustbin. Which of the following is not a public property? School, garden, home, government hospital. So, which is not a public property? Home. Which of the following habit is good for the conservation of environment? हमें environment को बचाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Make public places dirty, do plantations, throw garbage anywhere, burn crackers that produces lot of noise. हाँ, हमें क्या करना चाहिए? डू प्लांटेशंस, प्लांट ग्रो करने चाहिए. अमित हैज फॉलोइंग हैबिट्स. विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैबिट इज हार्मफुल फॉर द एनवायरमेंट? अमित इज हैविंग सम बैड हैबिट्स. सो विच इज हार्मफुल टू द एनवायरमेंट? अमित ऑलवेज थ्रो द गार्बेज इन द डस्टबिन. Amit waters the plant growing in this house. Amit does not defecate in the open. या Amit pluck flowers from the school garden and throw them after smelling. So here Amit is having 2 bad habits. Okay, Amit always throw the garbage in the dustbin and Amit pluck the flowers from the school garden. So both the options are right here. Okay. So now see, here some fill in the blanks are given. I am reading it. To dash trees, streets and environment is our duty. हमें trees को क्या करना चाहिए? Save. To save trees, street and environment is our duty. We must always throw the garbage in the dustbin. The primary school of village is a dash property. जो स्कूल है वो कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है? पब्लिक. एनीबडी कैन गो टू स्कूल. यस. ऑन द फेस्टिवल ऑफ डैश वी मस्ट नॉट बर्स्ट फायर क्रैकर्स टू हैव अ लाउड साउंड. ऑन द फेस्टिवल ऑफ दिवाली, हमें दिवाली के फेस्टिवल में ऐसे क्रैकर्स जलाने चाहिए जिससे हमें नॉइस पॉल्यूशन न हो. Water problems can be solved by harvesting rainwater. What do you mean by rainwater? When it rains, you have to conserve this water in wells and ponds and you can do the harvesting. Now third question is put mark tick या right or wrong. Okay. We must plant more trees. Is it right? Yes. Plastic waste can be thrown anywhere. We should throw anywhere? No. Eating junk food sold in the market is harmful for our health. The food which is sold by the vendors or in the market is harmful to us? Yes. Cutting trees is beneficial for the environment. If we cut the tree, it is beneficial. वो फायदा करता है? No. Water tap of the village is a public property. Yes, it is a public property. Now see, this picture we have already seen in textbook, है ना? Which one is right and which one is wrong? Here some questions are given. This also I have make you aware of this in when I was explaining the lesson. So today again we are doing this exercise. Do you throw the garbage in the dustbin? Yes. Do you use the toilet? Yes. Do you wash your hands with the soap after eating and after using the toilet? Yes. Do you release dirty water through drain, gutter or a safety tank? Yes. How many of your answers are yes? All. Your all answers are yes, no? Yes. Now see, here one question is given, which other primary duties should be followed? हमें और कौन से काम करने चाहिए? Which are our duties? It is not harmful to our environment that we should write here. Here I have written some of the duties. Okay, you can write by your own also. See, I have written we should not pluck flowers, we should not cut trees, we should grow more trees, we should throw rubbish in the dustbin, we should not waste water, we should not eat junk food more, we should not bath animals in the river. This is written by me. You can write which you want to write. You can write it yourself also. Now see, this picture also we have studied in the textbook. Which are the public properties in this picture? है ना? Garden, bank, school, hospital, temple. These all are the public properties. Here we have to write which are the public properties. I have written here park, bank, school, hospital. You can write more. Okay. Now the second question is, which public properties are there in your surroundings? Which public properties are in your surrounding? आपके घर के आजू बाजू कौन कौन सी public properties है? I have written mall, park, bank and hospital. You can write anything which are nearby your house. Now see, this picture was also there in the textbook, है ना? The woman is throwing the garbage on the street. The second picture, the woman is throwing the rubbish in the dustbin. Here the doctor is watching, examining the patient, है ना? So here the question is written, what is the good in both the picture? इन दोनों में से good कौन सा है? यानी दोनों में से कौन सी चीज अच्छी है? So in the first picture you can see that the woman is throwing in the rubbish in the dustbin, and in the second picture what you are seeing, the doctor is examining the woman. So this is a good thing. What is wrong in both the picture? What is wrong in both the picture? Both the women are throwing rubbish on the road. So this is a wrong. Where do you dispose of the rubbish of your house? आप अपने घर का कचरा कहाँ फेंकते हो? We dispose of the rubbish of our house in the dustbin. What is the arrangement of the disposal of the street rubbish? हमारे घर के बाहर स्ट्रीट पे जो कचरा है उसका क्या होता है? कैसे वो लोग लेके जाते हैं? Our municipality has put some big dustbin at some distances, so we are going to put off there, है ना? Where do you release your dirty water of your house? आपके घर का गंदा पानी आप कहाँ रिलीज करते हो? In the drain and gutter, है ना? So this I have explained in the textbook also, and here also I am explaining. Now see, this is the homework for you. This picture is already in the textbook and it is also given in the workbook. You have to write it by your own. Here the two boys are there, Amit and Rahul. What they are friends. By mistake, Amit has pushed Rahul, so Rahul has fallen down on the plant and the plant has broken. Now what will Rahul do to do the plant again? To stand the plant again? Amit and Rahul, both of them, made the plant straight by putting water and soil together, है ना? तो this thing you have to see the picture, make the idea of that picture, and you have to complete this exercise. Okay? Now see, here also I have some picture. This is already given in the textbook also. You have to see it from it, and workbook also, and you have to write the question. What is that here? here the first house is a pakka house, है ना, and they had made the arrangement for the rainwater to drain inside the ground so they can use it. In the second picture, the boy is drilling out the water from the hand pump, है ना, and in the second picture what is there, both the women are talking and the pot is filled with the water and water is running out of the pot, so the water is being wasted. Now see, the water is being wasted, the second woman can't get the water because water has gone, है ना, पानी चला गया तो उसको पानी मिलेगा नहीं, है ना. तो this thing you have to see the picture and explain it and in the question answers. So I have completed here this till question number 8. You have also to complete it in the textbook, okay, and notebook also. Bye children, we will continue in the second section.